Welcome to Gradesmatch, your leading career guidance platform in South Africa. In this demo, we will illustrate how our friend Festus can get the best possible career advice in order to achieve his goal of becoming a chartered accountant. On Gradesmatch, Festus will learn more about the different careers in the commerce field, match his current school performance to what is required by higher learning institutions and also bursaries. He will learn more about different institutions in his geographical area, as well as getting advisory based on what he would like to pursue. So just like how Festus has his own social media presence, on Gradesmatch he will register, get his name, his mobile number, and also his own personal password in order to protect his information. After registering, Festus would then pick up his picture like how he does on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter, and he'll add up more about himself, adding his biography, telling Gradesmatch which school he goes to, and also telling Gradesmatch what grade he is currently in, including his subjects, languages that he is doing, and also the additional subjects based on all the different categories, whether arts, physical sciences, mathematics, business, engineering, agriculture, and also arts and culture. After selecting his subjects, Festus would then select his favorite subject that he's doing at school, and currently his favorite subjects are accounting, mathematics, and economics. After completing his profile, then the fun begins. So, let's explore Festus. On Gradesmatch, the first thing that our friend Festus will do is tell Gradesmatch his current school performance based on all his subjects. He will tell Gradesmatch that he's getting 77% in biology, 40% on his accounting, Festus, you need to improve, and all his other subjects that are critical to the calculation of his ambition. After completing that, he will land on a Gradesmatch timeline. The dashboard essentially includes every data point that is important for Festus to make a critical career decision. He will see the events around his geographical area that are related to his education and also career expos. Let's see how Festus can actually make this decision. So, when he clicks careers, he can add what path he'd like to follow. Remember, Festus wants to become a chartered accountant, so we include accounting. He can add an additional career path that he'd like to follow as a second choice. So he's also interested in becoming an economist. After that, he will land on what we call a scenario planner. The scenario planner essentially helps Festus to do a combination of his subjects that would relate to the career that he'd like to pursue. So Festus wants to become an accountant, so he will follow an accounting stream, and these are the subjects that are core to his ambition. So he will get brief information on what it is to become an accountant, what accountants do, and he'll get to see the qualifications that are required based on different institutions around him. So he can pursue his accounting stream at the University of Pretoria, University of Johannesburg, and even at the University of Cape Town, which is his dream university. When he clicks match, he'll see that to obtain a BCom in accounting, he needs 30 points, and he currently has 24, which means he's falling short of what is required by the University of Cape Town. We encourage our learners to set goals for themselves, so he can set a goal of becoming an accountant, an economist, or an actuary and set those goals directly. Thereafter, he can see other similar qualifications that he can pursue in different institutions. We also encourage our learners to look out for bursary opportunities that can fund their dream careers. So when Festus clicks our chat point, he can ask questions about whether any companies have bursaries in the accounting field, and our chat point would answer those kind of questions. So he can then go and apply for those bursary opportunities directly, and will see a similar calculation of what is required versus what he has. He can view a number of companies that have the same applications for accountants. And that is the power of Gradesmatch, having a one-stop shop for all careers, all bursaries, and interacting with your peers. Gradesmatch is the leading career guidance solution